Hey, my name is Farhad. I'm a founder of Creative Web. So in this video, I'm gonna exactly show you that how to set up a privacy policy page and then how you can add your own content. So without further ado, let's move into it. So first of all, let's go to this is my client store, and my clients don't know how to add the policy or remove policy. So I'm gonna show you on this video. Okay. So first of all, I'm gonna click on that. And from here, so if you want to, so you have to come, let me show you again from the very first time, from very first, because so whenever you're gonna log in, you will see this looks. So after that, you're gonna click the settings. So whenever you're gonna click the settings, at this point you have to click the privacy policy, and then after clicking this policy, you will get the four option. Number one, return and refund policy, privacy policy, terms and service, and shipping policy, and contact information. So if you want to add any information on the return and privacy policy, you have to click here. And from here in Shopify, there have a like pre-template. So if I remove all of them, you will see this option. So if you didn't add anything before, you will see this option, that insert template, and Shopify will add automatically from your personal information, because when you log in Shopify, you given some information on Shopify, like for example your store goal, your personal information, your email. According those information, Shopify will create an privacy policy template. So if you want to use that, you can use. If you don't want to use that, you can add according your own information. Like for example, you remove all of them, you can write your own information, own privacy policy. Okay, so on privacy policy, like that. So I don't want that. So first of all, I will click the insert template. Shopify gonna create a template for me. That's the thing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you add your, suppose if I added your own thing, like you added, right? So it's time to, you have to click the save. So whenever you will click the save, it will add automatically. Okay, so whenever if I go my store, then you're gonna see. So 1 second, let me preview it. If I go to my store, then I'm gonna see that. Okay, so I will go very bottom, and from here, if I click the privacy policy, this is a privacy policy. 1 second, let me go very bottom. This is the refund policy. You can change like that. So you added the refund policy, you can see your information here. So yeah, this way exactly you can do it. Okay, so I'm gonna click the settings. So whenever I'm gonna click the settings, at this point I have to go to the policy, and from the policy I'm gonna exactly click again, and then I will delete that, because that's not professional, that not right one. So for now I will click the insert template, and then I will click the save. Okay, that's the thing. So one more thing my client wanted, which is some other changes. Once again, let's find out, and how to add previous website contacts. Like maybe my client was previous website, he want to add previous website customer information in their website. So I already told him to fill up all the information on the sheet, and then whenever after they fill up the sheet, my client gonna go on the content. After going to the not content, my client have to go customer, and from here my client gonna click the input, and whenever you're gonna input, and then if you edit, if you click here, and then upload CSV file which you added all the previous customer information exactly. Okay, so that's the number 2, and let's see what other changes my client don't want. My client cannot do that. Business email, how to create the domain from business email. Okay, I will talk about later, because it's I need your access. Maybe my owner have this access, I'm not sure. Okay, so if I send it the file, can you add? Yeah, sure, just send me this file, and then I will edit. Or if you don't want, then I will also cream logo. Yes, this one. So what else my client want? Size chart. How we can add size chart? So to add size chart, we can use like apps. So let me show you. If I search, I will set up an apps for the size chart. If you just give me a product title, and then mention this size chart. First of all, you're gonna give me this product title, and then you're gonna mention this is my size chart. Then I'm gonna add the size chart on my store. Let me give you an example how this will be looks. Here is my website. This is my previous clients, and for my previous client store, I have created the size chart, and then I will show you how that looks. How will be this looks whenever we will add size chart. Okay, so not here on this product don't have size chart. So let me scroll down, and not this one. So I have to go again the home page, and then I will show you. Okay, if I click here, then I'm gonna see the size chart. 1 second. Size chart, I have added size chart, but there's not showing. Okay, so I can go to the theme, smart size. I will click here, and then smart size, this one. Using these apps, I'm gonna add the size chart on the Shopify. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm trying to tell you, right? So basically it will take, yes. So from here I'm gonna go to the quick size chart, and then I will, oh, okay, I will click the size chart. And from here, and I'm gonna open, so this is activated. So let's see, this looks active. I will show you this preview. Okay, so if I click the previews of size chart, and then you're gonna see, okay, I can copy this product title, and then I will show you. Okay, it will take time sometimes. Okay, oh, okay, okay, fine. So I'm gonna click the search option, and then I will paste the title for the size chart. Okay, so on this product I have added size chart. I'm gonna show you, and then just I'm showing that because so that you can understand exactly how it will be look, how it will be look. So whenever you gonna give me size chart information, then we will add. After adding, you will see like this looks. When your website will be looks like this, the size chart of the product. Okay, so customer click on that, they are gonna see the size chart. Okay, so this way exactly we are gonna add the size chart. That's the process. So if you have a already size chart, just send us on. And also if you want to use your own, like you by your, like this is self-explanatory. So if you want to add yourself, and just let me know, and then I will get another video how you can add the size chart using these apps, like this one, using these apps. Okay, so let me know. If you don't have time, just send me the size chart, I'm gonna add. If you have a time, you can add yourself, add according yourself. Okay, so thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.